Spring is the beginning of the four seasons, the time when all things are renewed. As the ice and snow melt, tree leaves start to bud and turn green, and hibernating animals begin to awaken. It's as if nature is waking up from its slumber, showing a thriving and vibrant scene. Yang energy begins to grow, reaching its peak in summer. There is a harmony between heaven and earth. The human body's yang energy also starts to rise and expand outward. Protecting this yang energy in spring is crucial, just like protecting YangQi energy seedlings as they begin to grow. Spring belongs to the wood element, associated with the east direction, sour taste, and the liver in the five elements theory. Therefore, it's important to nurture and protect the liver. Consuming less acidic foods is recommended, as they may hinder the liver's function of regulating qi circulation and emotional balance and may also cause harm to the spleen and stomach. Idiographic period. Diet in spring should be light and ascending, promoting the dispersal of yang qi energy. However, it's essential to ensure that the energy ascends without dispersing too much or becoming excessively hot, avoiding the use of overly pungent or hot ingredients. Food in spring should focus on clearing heat, eliminating dampness, promoting blood circulation, and strengthening the spleen to help the body adapt to climate changes and adjust its constitution. Some suitable food for spring include green vegetables, such as Chinese cabbage, spinach, lettuce, etc., rich in vitamins and minerals, beneficial for clearing heat and detoxification, and promoting metabolism. Beans, tofu, bean sprouts, etc., are excellent sources of plant protein, beneficial for supplementing nutrition and enhancing physical strength. Coix seeds, with diuretic and detoxifying effects, suitable for clearing heat and dampness in spring. Chinese yam, known for nourishing yin, moistening the lungs, invigorating the spleen, and benefiting the stomach, suitable for spring to nourish the digestive system. Job's tears, beneficial for invigorating qi, strengthening the spleen, and stopping diarrhea, suitable for regulating the spleen and stomach in spring. Buckwheat, rich in vitamin B group and dietary fiber, helpful for lowering blood lipids and promoting intestinal health. Bamboo shoots, rich in dietary fiber, beneficial for clearing heat and dampness, and promoting weight loss and fitness. Lotus leaf, with the effects of clearing heat, eliminating dampness, invigorating the spleen, and stopping diarrhea, suitable for spring regulation. All foods that assist in promoting yang qi energy should preferably be consumed between 7 to 11 am, such as seasonal vegetables and fruits in spring. In early spring, it is recommended to consume more warm yang nourishing foods such as leeks, garlic, onions, konjac, Chinese cabbage, coriander, ginger, and scallions. In late spring, recommended foods include shepherd's purse, spinach, celery, lettuce, eggplant, mushrooms, lotus root, lily bulbs, white radish, Chinese yam, peas, pea shoots, Chinese tune, water spinach, wild rice, stem, Chinese cabbage, and rapeseed greens. Foods to avoid in spring. Avoid eating lamb, quail, buckwheat, fried peanuts, fried melon seeds, sea fish, shrimp, and other foods that are cold or overly hot in nature, as well as spicy foods. Avoid consuming raw, cold, and greasy foods.